Hello student, I welcome you all for this BSc first year, semester first. Here in this lecture, we will summarize the syllabus of BSc first year, semester first of both papers as well as practical of this particular semester first of BSc first year physics. Let me share my screen first, then we will go one by one of this particular section of the physics. Now see here, myself is Dr. Hussaini Sayyid Shauqatullah Azmatullah, Head Department of Physics. Here I am going to share with you the syllabus of BSc first year, first semester of the subject of physics. As you are in the first year, you know that this your BSc system is of semester type as per the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. And you have taken the admission to physics first year, means you are now in the semester first. And for this semester first, as far as the physics paper is concerned, there are 2 theory papers of physics and 1 practical. These theory papers of physics, if you consider in the first semester, we found that the first paper's course code is 101, paper number 1, and title of that paper is Mechanics, Properties of Matter and Sound. And this paper is for marks 50. While the second paper's code is 102, it is heat and thermodynamics, it is also of 50 marks. For these 2 papers, you have to go for the examination in the month of October, November. As far as the paper 3, code 103 is concerned, that paper 3 is of practical, but for practical examination, you are not going for this particular semester in the month of October, November, but that practical third, you have to face the examination of the practical in the second semester in the month of April, May. As far as the second semester is concerned, just I will tell the topics of the second semester. The geometrical optics and physical optics, it is 104, paper number 4. Paper number 5 is electricity, magnetism, and paper number 6 is the practical once again. Now note that as far as the practical examinations are concerned, one student have to perform the experiment in examination from the paper 3rd or paper 6th. Paper 3rd and paper 6 will combine, and out of these experiments, one experiment the student have to perform in the examination. And scheme of marking is that the experiment 75 marks, for oral 15 marks, and for record book it is 10 marks. And in this way, total 100 marks are there. That means practical examination is not in the first semester, but the practical examination is in the second semester, and the papers for it are paper 3rd, which is in the first semester, and paper 6th, which is in the second semester. Now first semester, paper first, Mechanics, Properties of Matter and Sound. Code is 101, it is for 50 marks. Now this paper contains chapter first, Mechanics. As from the name, title of the paper is there, Mechanics, Properties of Matter and Sound. That means in this particular chapter, in this particular paper, 4 chapters are there, and these 4 chapters are belonging from the 3 different sections of the physics. First chapter belongs from the first section, that is Mechanics. Its title is also Mechanics. In this paper, what we are going to see, we have to see about the compound pendulum. Simple pendulum, as you have seen in 12th standard. Then the compound pendulum, another type of pendulum. We have to see, that is compound pendulum. Now, when the pendulum word is there, then there is a certain terms associated, as you have seen in the 12th standard in case of the simple pendulum, that expression for time period. What is the interchangeability of center of suspension and center of oscillation? Then another type of pendulum is Scatter's pendulum. Then we have to look into the different Newton's law, that is Newton's law of gravitation statement only. Then related to the Newton's law of gravitation, there are the certain concepts that we must know, that is the gravitational field, gravitational potential difference with respect to mass, and so on. Now gravitational potential, as we define in the first case, then here we will consider a particular case and we will obtain the expression for the gravitational potential and intensity at a point outside and inside the spherical cell. Spherical cell, it may be hollow spherical cell or it is the uniform solid sphere. Second chapter at is belongs from the second section, that is the properties of matter. In the properties of matter, different terms are there. One first property of matter, which is of this matter, it is of three state, you are knowing: solid, liquid and gas. Now the first property, it is the elasticity. This is the property of solid particularly. Now in this particular chapter of elasticity, the term elasticity, definition of it, you are already seen in your 12th standard. Now same thing with some broad idea and some extension we are going to consider in this particular chapter. Introduction will be there, that we will define in elasticity. We'll consider the different terms, that is stress, strain, Hooke's law for that one. And then we will go to the different modulus of elasticity. As you are knowing, modulus of Young's modulus, bulk modulus, modulus of rigidity, and their respect to symbols. Then we will see a particular case of twisting, that what is the twisting couple. First of all, we will see the definition of twisting couple, and then we will consider the twisting couple acting on a cylinder. Then another term, beam. What do you mean by beam? And then bending of a beam or bending moment of the beam we will consider. Then we will define a new term, that is cantilever. And cantilever, it is loaded at the free end, and there are the two cases: when the weight of the beam is ineffective and when the weight of the beam is effective. And one more article we will see in this particular chapter, that is depression of the beam loaded at the center. Now third chapter is again from the properties of matter, as you are knowing from the title, viscosity and surface tension. These two are the properties which belongs to the liquid state or the second state of the matter, that is liquid. Viscosity. Then we will see the introduction, we will see the expression for the energy of a motion, energy of a liquid in motion, then Bernoulli's theorem, and in the practical application in case of hydrostatic pressure, in case of filter pump, and one more relation that we will consider, that is the Poiseuille's formula for the flow of liquid through the capillary tube. Then another term, as you are also familiar about it, that is surface tension, so this Satahi Tanav in Urdu, and that's why introduction of the surface tension differs across the pressure, that when the flow of a liquid will take place. And one more important expression we will see here, method is there to determine the surface tension of the liquid, that is the determination of surface tension by Jigger's method. And this experiment are also we are going to perform in your practical paper. And fourth and last chapter of this particular paper first is the ultrasonics and acoustics. This section belongs to the sound of the particular section. Ultrasonic, you are knowing ultrasonic, infrasonic, isn't it? Then in this ultrasonic section, we have to consider about the piezoelectric effect, piezoelectric generator, magnetostriction oscillator, application of the ultrasonic, depth of the sea. There are different chemical effects of this one and its application that we have to, medical applications are also there. Then acoustic, this word particularly belonging to the sound. We are knowing acoustics, reverberation time or reverberation. Then acoustic demands of the auditorium, that how the auditorium hall it is to be constructed by considering the acoustics of the building. Then Sabine's formula. Then one more important term that we are going to see in this particular section, reverberation time, which plays a very important role in the musical instrument or in the musical hall. Then condition of the acoustically designed room, that what are the condition, which criteria we have to follow at the time of designing a room according to the acoustics. Now, reference books for this particular paper is the Alignment of Properties of Matter by D.S. Mathur Chand publication. In Physics of the Degree of C.L. Aurora, Mechanics of Electrodynamics by Brijlal and Subramaniam, and textbook of sound by Khanna and Bedi, textbook of Subramaniam and Brijlal, Vikas publication, and so on. Now, as far as the second paper is concerned, it also contains the 4 chapters, and these 4 chapters belong from a particular section, that is heat and thermodynamics. The heat and thermodynamics, this paper will be covered by one of my colleagues here, but syllabus I will discuss is thermal conductivity. First chapter is thermal conductivity. This is flow of heat from one place to the another place. Then if this thermal conductivity contains these articles, transfer of heat, then how the heat is transferred, as you are knowing, conduction, convection, radiation. Then coefficient of thermal conductivity, that what is the term coefficient of thermal conductivity. Then related to thermal coefficient, we have to derive the expression for it. Then rectilinear flow of liquid, rectilinear flow of it along a metal bar. Isn't it that in a metal bar how the liquid heat is transferring? Then different radial flow of heat, spherical shell method, flow of it around the wall of a cylindrical tube, comparison of conductivities of the different metals and so on. Then second chapter is real gases and transport phenomena in that. This is thermodynamics, heat and thermodynamics. As you are knowing, the title is heat and thermodynamics. Then second one is the thermodynamics plays important in case of gases also. Then we have to see real gases and transport phenomena. In the real gases, then we have to define the reason for modification of real gas equation, van der Waal gas equation, van der Waal equation, comparison with experimental course. Then in the transport phenomena, we have to discuss about the mean free path, that is distance covered by the particle between two successive collisions. As we know, in case of the gas, molecules are continuously moving, and this motion of the molecule is the random motion. And due to the random motion, they are colliding to each other, and due to their collision, they transfer the energy, and therefore some collisions are elastic in nature. And that's why, depending on this one, during the motion of this particle, they collide, and due to the collision, or for this collision, they have to transfer, they have to cover certain distance, and the distance is called as the mean free path. Then in this particular section, we are going to consider a important part, that is the sphere of influence, expression for the mean free path. Then thermal conductivity interrelationship, dependence on temperature and pressure. Thermodynamics. This word thermodynamics, most important, thermodynamics, in which we have to consider the different types of process, isothermal process, adiabatic process, then isobaric process, then reversible and irreversible process. Then what is the second law of thermodynamics? What is the first law of thermodynamics? And one most important article that we are going to see, which is the most important from the examination point of view, as well as from as far as thermodynamics is concerned, that is the heat engine. And one type of heat engine is the Carnot heat engine, which works on a particular cycle, and that cycle it is called as the Carnot cycle, in which we are going to determine the efficiency of an engine eta. Entropy and thermodynamic relation. Then entropy, as far as the thermodynamics is concerned, one term is most important, that is the entropy. In short, you call it as a total internal energy. And that total general notation of the entropy we will see here. Change of entropy is independent of the fact that we will also show here. Then change of entropy in case of reversible and irreversible process. Then formulation of the second law in terms of entropy, second law of thermodynamics in terms of entropy. And most important are the Maxwell's thermodynamical relations and their applications. First application, there is Clapeyron equation, we will derive with this one, and the TDS equations. The references book for this particular 4 chapters are Heat and Thermodynamics by the Statistical Physics, Brijlal and Subramaniam. That is again Chand publication. Heat and Thermodynamics by J.B. Rajam, Heat and Thermodynamics by Singhal, Agarwal, and Thermodynamics and Statistical Physics by Kakani. As far as the practicals are concerned, as in the beginning I have told you, the paper third of the semester first, it is the practical, and the total number of practical in this paper as allotted by the universities are 8. That is we have to determine the acceleration due to gravity by Cater's pendulum. Then we have to perform the experiment of Y by bending by loaded at the center, as we have seen in case of elasticity. Then determination of cantilever. Then Maxwell's then moment of inertia by bifilar suspension. Eta by Maxwell's needle. Determination of Y and beta by flat spiral spring. Jigger's method, surface tension by Jigger's method, determination of coefficient of viscosity by Poiseuille's method. So these 8 experiments are there. Out of this, at least 6 must be performed. And the second paper of the practical, which is paper number 1, physics paper 106, and paper number 6, which this paper is not in the semester first, but this paper is in the semester second. And for that second semester paper of the practical 106 papers, that is the practical, and this practical paper is also having 8 experiments. And for that, eight experiment is flywheel is there, field along the axis of circular coil, calibration of spectrometer, some dark room experiments are there, dispersive power of the prism. And out of these 8 practicals, 6 at least must be performed. And therefore 8 practical this and 8 practical this. Out of these 16 practicals, one experiment you have to perform in the examination. These two paper number 3rd and paper number 6 will combine in the second semester, and practical examination will be conducted. And student have to draw one paper, and what experiment he got, he had to perform that experiment. Out of this 16, one paper, one experiment will be allotted to each student. He has to perform that particular experiment, and it will be of 100 marks in the examination. So this is the syllabus of the semester first of physics. If you are having query, you can ask. Thank you. Have a nice time. Cooperate for the online teaching hereafter. Have a nice time. Now, second semester syllabus we will see in the next video. Thank you.